in this video topics Air Busan baggage allowance. So this is the video thumbnail. Air Busan baggage allowance. At first, here the baggage allowance Air Busan based on the airline's official policy. Carry on cabin baggage. You are allowed 1 pieces of cabin baggage. Maximum weight 10 kg. Size total 3 side 150 cm, length, width and height. And checked baggage. Checked baggage. Domestic flight South Korea. Super special fare. No checked baggage include. Special regular fares 15 kg free. Maximum size combined dimension 23 cm, width, height and depth. International flight standard economy regular fares non-US 1 pieces up to 15 kg free for adult and children. Infant and kilogram free. Maximum size 203 cm total. US gumboats 2 pieces is up to 23 kg free. Maximum size 23 cm total. Thank you. Thank you.